Hey guys, it's Tommy here at Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make a brand new recipe in my Sedona Supreme Dehydrator. I've been making this recipe quite a lot at home recently. My little son Teddy loves having these. So today I'm making some dehydrated pineapple with mint. So really simple to make, but tastes absolutely beautiful and is a delicious snack for any time. So firstly, I'm going to chop some fresh mint. And I have the biggest bunch of mint in the world over here. So fresh, so beautiful. I'm just gonna get some nice mint leaves here. You can use as much or as little mint as you like for this recipe. It's entirely up to you. And I'm just gonna finely chop that mint. So next I'm gonna chop up some pineapple. You wanna use a nice ripe pineapple. Your pineapple slices are going to taste that much sweeter. Now you don't want these to be too thick, otherwise it's going to take you 30 plus hours to dehydrate them. So the thinner they are, the quicker they're going to dehydrate. It helps if you've got a really good knife. Now I'm just going to sprinkle that with some beautiful fresh mint. You can put as little or as much on there as you like, but it just gives that dehydrated pineapple a beautiful, fresh, herby flavor, which me and my little son Teddy love. He loves his mint. That looks beautiful. Okay, so I'm using the Sedona Supreme Dehydrator today. This is the top of the line Sedona Dehydrator model. You can see the Sedona has stainless steel trays. So I'm just going to put in my pineapple slices. Now you can fill it completely up if you like. You can see I'm only going to put one tray in here, and then I'm going to close that up. I'm going to use my TST feature, which is a 2-stage sequential temperature timer feature. A little bit tricky to say. So I'm going to set that firstly to my TST feature, and I'm going to dehydrate that at 60 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, and then it's going to lower in temperature down to 55 degrees for another at least 12 hours, I'd say even 18 hours. Now I'm going to hit start, and away we go. So what I like about the Sedona Dehydrator is it's super quiet. It's not going to bother you at night. It just sounds like an air conditioner on a low temperature, which is great. If I open my glass door, it just automatically stops working. So let's pretend that's been running for 18 to 24 hours. Look at that, my beautiful dehydrated pineapple with fresh mint. So you can store this in an airtight jar. It's going to last at least a year or more, and it's the perfect snack. It tastes so good. So good. The sweetness of the pineapple, the freshness, herby flavor of the mint. I absolutely love it. I think you and your kids will love it too. Happy dehydrating.